Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add picture next to name in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheet document. Firstly, then I show that Google Sheet document is then show that student and put a name. Now add from the picture in the student name. Now click for the first name option. Now photo picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the image option. Then click on the insert an image in the cell. Now for click. Now click on the browse option. Then insert picture is name. That's it. Then raw eyes. Then again second name. Now for click side name. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the image option. Then click on the insert an image in the cell. Now click on the browse option. Then select from the picture. Then raw the Marcel. Then again others name. Now for click. Then going to the insert menu option. Then click on the image option. Now click on the insert an image in the cell. Open the image file. Now click for OK. Then all name from the select and picture. Now going to the alignment option. Now click on the center align option. Then going to the format menu option. Now click on the Marcel option. Alignment option. Now click on the middle option. That's it. Then show the add picture next to name in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.